Pick it up and run. Get him, Gavin. Touchdown. Keegan's turn. Hurry up. Put on the orange thing, Keegan. Straight up and down. Nope, towards you a little bit. Just like that. Okay, here comes Gavin. Marks. Nice catch. Run through him again, Gavin. I want to get a tackle. Go right into Keegan. Go right into him. Go.